Hey guys, final video in our string of videos that I am doing tonight. I got off work, it's after midnight, the baby is asleep, I have to wake up real early and get my daughter to her practice run at school, and I got a new ring light. So I have been playing with my camera. I'm still in my work scrubs, and I have some new makeup on that is still wearing pretty decently that makes me feel like it is fall, even though it's still summertime. So, I got my box of Target goodies. This is, I don't know, this is like my favorite box. It's $7 of pure happiness. And I have yet to reach one or get one that I've just been super upset about. So if you don't know, Target does these beauty boxes, and some months they do one box, and some months they do several boxes, and they generally are $7. And if you do not buy it within 1 to 2 days of when they announce it, they're gone. They are that popular. You can buy them in person in the store, or you can just buy them online and they ship for free. So I get notifications from Target. I'll link down below how to do that, where they email you and they let you know when they're in there. You can also go to my subscription addiction, which I'll also put below, and that tells you about every like goodie bag, mystery bag, subscription box thing that you could ever want. And they often announce so that you know when to buy these, because if you don't, they're sold out. And so I'm pretty sure this one's sold out because I bought this a week ago and I got this one in the mail like 2 days ago. So this is in a slightly bigger box than normal, and it's in their generic box here. So every month it comes and it has tissue, and I've already kind of rifled through mine a little bit, and they come with their generic little card here, and it says "Hello Summer Stunner," and it talks about the last full month of summer, and then they always give you a little handout on there, and then they talk and give you a $3 off coupon. So effect, you're basically paying $5 for this box. So, getting into it, this is what's in there. And they, oh, that's the other thing. When you go to buy these, they always have like a little preview picture, so you kind of have a general idea of what you're going to get. So if you look at it and you're like, I don't want that, then you don't have to order. It's not like some of these other subscription boxes where you're locked in or they don't put the spoilers on there. You kind of know what you're going to get. So the first thing here is the Schick Intuition razor, and who does not like a good razor? Unless you've gotten laser and you don't have hair anymore, but most of us have to shave or wax or do something. I shave because I don't like waxing, it hurts. So I don't think I have Schick. I don't know. I steal my husband's razor, so it's nice to have another razor here. But these things usually are between $5 and $10. But this is kind of cool. This is apparently you're supposed to be able to go back and forth. So I've never used a razor like this, but hey, right there. This is probably worth the entire box. All right, next thing in the box is the Simply Sensitive Expert Kin to Skin Cleansing Wipes Removes Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to have to try this tonight on the waterproof mascara. I was playing with this the other day, and these things are great. So, again, you can never go wrong with a wipe. These are 7 wipes, and they are super gentle. My skin was not at all irritated by them. So, I do like these. So, this is another good thing. And let me see if they say anything on here. Yeah, it doesn't say much more. Okay. So the next thing is the Acure Brilliantly Brightening Day Cream. I have some of this other brand. I can't remember what I bought. I got one on sale on Amazon, and then we got the facial scrub, I think, in the last Target box. And this thing's worth a couple of bucks. I'm just going to open this up to show you guys here. I probably shouldn't because I feel like I have one of these already, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, there's a safety seal that does not want me to. It says lift. It's not letting me lift. All right, come on. This is what happens when you work all day and it's past midnight. All right. There's not much of a smell here. This does not really have a smell. It's just a nice creamy lotion. Oh, it does have a smell. That is really subtle. It smells like lemons in a really nice sort of way. Wow, that smells really good. It has acai fruit extract, aloe vera, and I think that acai is supposed to be like really hydrating. Oh my god, I could sit and smell my hand all day. Blackberry, safflower, evening primrose, that's what it is. It has Valencia orange. It smells like oranges. That's amazing. Okay guys, I'm officially in love with this stuff. You make things smell like oranges and oh my god, it smells so good. Anyway, this is it. If you can see here, very nice. I'm super excited. 1 fluid ounce. This will last me a good long time. All right, next product here is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Wave Sea Salt Spray. I've heard so many good things about this brand. I think my cousin was suggesting this brand. I'm going to just put a little bit down here. I air dried my ponytail today because I was being lazy. Oh, it smells good. Let's see if I can get this to... Yeah, that's not half bad. So basically this can be day at the beach, infused with sea salt and sea kelp for texture, separation, body, and aloe extract protects the hair against dryness. So you can see it's starting to bring out some of my natural wave. Doesn't look half bad. It definitely gives me a little bit of that beachy look. I like that it's a decent size spray bottle here. I've had some other beach wave sprays that haven't quite done the same. And my hair's feeling pretty soft here. It's not making my hair feel gummy, so not bad. But yeah, I've heard really, really good things about this. It does have some of the stuff that I think some people don't like. It has dimethicone and some perfume and fragrance. But if I'm going to put beach spray in my hair, honestly, I'm not going to care that much. So, and it says tropical banana. It doesn't really smell like banana, but this is nice. I'm super in love with that. All right, next thing here is the body lotion Coconut Shea by Eden Body Works. And I am not a huge fan of body lotion because I have a ton of it and I never use it. This smells pretty good. That smells pretty good too. I'll probably pass this along to my daughter because she loves body lotion. It really does smell kind of like shea butter and coconut. Like it smells exactly like it says. It smells not bad. It's 2 ounces. So not a bad sample. I don't think there's anything really special about it. Alright, and final thing here is the Bliss Fab Foaming 2-in-1 Cleanser and Exfoliator with Bamboo Buffers. I love Bliss brand. I've used some other stuff. Right now I'm using one of their exfoliating scrubs. It smells like mint. This smells like, oh, you can see. I don't think you guys can see real well. Probably not on the camera here. It looks like it has little micro beads in there. I don't know if these are bamboo buffers, so I guess those little beads are made out of bamboo. But anyway, the only thing I would say against this is the bottle looks like it's a little hard to get the sample out of. And this probably doesn't do that much. But it says it provides gentle exfoliation while removing makeup and grime and smoother, more radiant skin. So I'm excited about this. I've had really good luck with this brand. So all in all, that is my my box here. So this is a really nice box. Like, I am very happy with it. I have, like I said, I have yet to have a Target box that I have just been unhappy with. So these are the products here. I mean, look at this. You've got a razor, full-size razor. You have got a decent sample size of wipes. You've got a decent sample size of an amazing cream that smells like oranges in a brand that I like. You've got a decent sample size of wave spray. You've got a little sample of facial exfoliator from a brand that's pretty cool, and then you've got your like generic lotion from a brand that I've never heard of but still kind of fun to try. That is the Target box. If you guys, I'm going to link below my Walmart box from this summer and see it in comparison to this, and you can understand why I love this Target box and why I hate the Walmart box and why I canceled my Walmart box. Love it. Oh, I'm so happy with this. So anyway, let me know what you think. Am I just being silly because I love this box so much? I don't know. I love this box. Every month I get something I just love from it, either dry shampoo or a lotion or something, and it just makes me super happy. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks guys. I am going to link below. If you have not already heard about it, I think every video I talk about it. I had a 50 subscriber giveaway. We're above that now. And I did a video a couple days back. And I'm going to link the video so that you can go watch it and find out how to enter. Because I have a big old box of goodies to give away. And if we get to 100, I'm going to get another item to give away to a second person. So I would love to have you guys be a subscriber and enter that contest. So anyway, like my videos, subscribe to my videos, tell me what you think. I love feedback. Let me know if I need to improve anything. So I had a suggestion from a friend who was watching my videos. She said, you know, you should get a ring light. Got a ring light. So anyway, thanks guys.